family planning? Family planning refers to use modern contraceptive or natural techniques to limit or space pregnancy.
1 in 3 births in the Philippines is unwanted or unplanned. According to National Demographic and Health Survey, a life-threatening procedure around 56 million abortions are performed each year in the world.
Why is it necessary to do family planning? Family planning is necessary because it saves lives
and also reduces the number of abortions.
To avoid unwanted births and abortion, do family planning, use effective contraceptive measures such as condoms, pills, injectables, and many others.
This is a condom. It is a contraceptive. Using condoms is a reliable method to prevent unplanned pregnancies. It will stop the sperm from entering the female human body and help prevent the spread of bodily fluids.
This is a birth control pills. These are medication a woman can take daily that contain hormones to prevent pregnancy. They essentially prevent ovulation.
This is injectables. Injectables typically suppresses ovulation, keeping your ovaries from releasing an egg. It also thickens cervical mucus to keep sperm from reaching the egg.
If you use contraceptive measures, the rates of unintended pregnancies reduces.
And also reduce the need for unsafe abortion and reduces HIV transmission from mother's newborn.
The best contraceptive for family planning are the implant and IUDs.
Why is the IUDs the most effective? IUDs are so effective because there's no chance of making mistake and it is 99% effective in preventing pregnancy.
Let's plan ahead to secure a healthy future.
It's better to have family planning.
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 It's better to have a family planning.
It's better to have family planning.
It's better to have